Oh, it's the doorbell. Come in.
Mailman
Gordon.
Hi, Pete. How you doing?
Great. I was just reading this great investing guide.
Oh, it's great. You'll have to lend that to me
Actually,
when you're done.
I'm all done with it.
Oh, wow. Hey, I got something for you, too.
Thanks, buddy. Have a great day.
Hey, you too.
Mailman Gordon, everybody.
Mailman Gordon.
Let's see what he brought us. Viewer mail. I love this stuff. Let's see. Our first question comes from Oh Mercy Me. We currently have a homegrown customer service CRM application. We're hoping to get rid of it once we get Dynamics 365. That happens a lot. In our current system, we have a lot of automatic emails that go out to customers at certain stages of interaction. We like that. However, these have historically taken a lot of time to develop and cost us a lot of money. We don't want to end up in the same situation again, having to rely completely on outside help. Yeah, so there's no need to worry about that. One of the great things about Microsoft Dynamics 365 is that a lot of the administrative functions are very easy to do, and you can be a power user or just a little bit of macro languages. And so specifically setting up an email to automatically trigger is pretty easy to do. You can even have one person or one group of people create your email templates, and then another group could focus on the automagic abilities to trigger that template to go off on certain points. Okay, so give it a shot, and of course we're here to follow up if you have any specific questions about how that works. All right? Good luck, Mercy Me. Our next question comes from Fraud Fighter 75. We're in the insurance industry and have to deal a lot with renewal dates and contracts, and we want our salespeople to start working on these different kind of renewals 30, 60, and 90 days prior to the end. Is this possible to manage with Dynamics 365, or would we have to have a specific contract or insurance solution? So this happens a lot, and these kind of automations are very powerful. And even if you're not in the contract business, sometimes if you have repeat orders, like somebody gets if you're a distributor and you sell certain sales that are always re-upped every year, you might want to just have reminders so your salespeople can stay on top of those things. So yeah, you can set up automations that will pop those on their calendars, the salespeople's calendars, 30, 60, 90 days, whatever your time frame is. You can also set up dashboards for your salespeople. So when they log in, they can see the upcoming renewals for the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. And so that just helps them be a little bit more proactive and stay on top of things. It's a very effective way of managing your time with CRM. Okay, hopefully that helps. So the last question is from Burning Rubber Rob. We are a tire distribution company in the Midwest, and we deal with not only end users, but also with a lot of storefronts that are national chains. Each quarter, we have our accounting group run a report for us totaling the dollars sold to each chain, so we have that information in front of us when we call on those chains. All the information's in CRM though, so is there any way to see the total dollar just by looking at the headquarters or parent record in CRM? There's got to be a way to do it. Yeah, this is one of the best things about CRM, especially when you have it integrated with accounting or other systems, is it streamlines your salespeople's ability to get information back to your prospects and customers. So yes, there's a couple different ways of doing it. You could just simply put it on a dashboard. So just aggregate that data and put it on a dashboard. You could have it run in a report, or a really simple way to do it with the latest versions of Dynamics 365 is to have a Rollup Field. And so what you can do is you can take a Rollup Field, it's basically a formula, calculated field, you put it on the account, or you could put it on an opportunity or other entities in the system, but in your case, you'd want to put it on the national account, and then you'd be able to quickly see all the sales for that account over a given period of time. So it's pretty simple. If you have any questions about it specifically though, give us a shout, we're here to help. We'd like to hear from you if you have any follow-ups. Thanks everybody.